What is up, guys? FrugalBC, and today we're going to talk about Algorand Naming Service. Did you know there's an Algorand Naming Service? Well, there is. We'll explain what it is on today's FrugalBC. What is up, guys? FrugalBC here, and welcome back to the channel. And we're going to talk about the Algorand Naming Service. So I think this is pretty cool. I just came across this, believe it or not. And at first I didn't really entirely know what it was, but it's pretty interesting. So we're going to get into what it is, how it works, and as always, we always want to do the experiments on this channel. So we're gonna create a name today. Hopefully it's not super expensive. Before we do that, hey, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button, and if you want to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you can get notification of all our videos. We primarily focus on Algorand. We do other blockchains here and there. In fact, I might do a Townstar update later in the week, but so far it's not Algorand necessarily because I decided, hey, I'm going to do an Algorand channel. It's Algorand mostly because it seems to be the blockchain that just works the best. And if I find evidence of another blockchain that can do everything Algorand can do, I'll probably be all over it. I have done a little bit of Solana. That just went down. Cardano with Sunday Swap, wasn't super impressed with that, but always open to new stuff, so we'll keep it going. But let's get into Algorand Naming Service. So I'm just going to share my screen and kind of show you the main page here. So this is the main site, and actually we're on the about page. So let's just go to the main. They've been open for mainnet, actually open since February. So we're a little behind the game on that, but that's okay. And basically you can create a .algo name. Now you might ask yourself, for what? What do I need this for? Is this for a website? Is this for my wallet? Well, yes. I'll just the best one actually is Algorand Foundation's. When they announced on March 16th that they received the grant program, Algorand Foundation grant program, which, as I recall, now they're talking about changing it. I think they're doing away with the grant program and doing something different instead. I can't recall the details now. It was a long meeting a couple weeks ago. But their second paragraph actually probably explains it the best. So wallet addresses are impossible to remember. Yeah, they are, definitely, right? And they add friction to user interactions in the Algorand ecosystem. ANS, Algorand Name Service, presents tools and infrastructure for Algorand users to register a public .algo name, such as bob.algo or alice.algo or frugalbc.algo. See what I did there? For their wallet address, and to use the .algo names to refer to their wallet addresses and subsequent interactions. So that's a really good thing. And then it also can help with like NFT explorers and marketplaces. Rand Gallery and Codex NFT are already involved, and NFT analytics platforms, as they say, such as Asalytic. I haven't really explored that at all. To enhance search and user experience. Yeah. So basically, it's like, yeah, these crazy wallet addresses are super long and complicated, just a series of letters and numbers. I did remember that my wallet is LV, and I think it's LV3. So I got that far. I've got that memorized, but the rest, not so much. So one of the things I want to talk about too is that the team is doxed. Here they are. But they're doxed here, so you know who they are. They're linked to their Twitter and is that GitHub? What's the kitty cat one? Is that GitHub? And LinkedIn, isn't Discord? I don't know. With Twitter, LinkedIn, and whatever else. So they're all out there. We got a guy who's a PhD candidate at the University of Tennessee. That's Sai, an undergraduate from India who has worked on some dApps before. He knows how to use dApps. And another fellow who has worked on some other blockchain projects. I think that's pretty cool. And then, yeah, they got the grant award, they got the Encode Accelerator, anything else down there, not so much. And then we can look really quickly. If we go to about ANS. So now this, they explain it, but I thought Algorand Foundation's explanation made a lot more sense. But I like to say, identify yourself with your .algo name now. No more 58 long character long addresses, by the way, but create your on-chain profile and add your socials for easy discovery. So it sounds pretty cool. You know what? Enough about all this. Let's just do it. So I'm going to search for, I'm guessing mine doesn't exist. Frugal. We're going to create a FrugalBC one today. And you better not have, oh, it is available. Because if you guys had stolen it, I'd be super duper mad, but you didn't. So, all right, I'm going to register it. Register your .algo name now. Register and link your .algo name to your wallet address. Link your social media profiles to your algo name. Accept token and transfer asset transfers with your .algo name. So yeah, well, it says check again. Okay, I'll check again. B, 5 or more characters, 5 algo. 4 characters, 50, 3 characters, 150. So it actually gets more expensive the fewer characters you have. So I have 7, is it? FRUGALBC, 8 actually. So I'm okay with that. That's easy enough for me to remember. I don't need to make it shorter. Once you register your name, you can start linking your social media profiles from the dashboard. Adding social profiles is optional. It presents a simpler way to discover users' presence on social media. Please note that the social profiles you add are stored on the public blockchain, hence visible to everyone. Okay. So I'm signing up to I'm going to have to pay this every year, but it's going to cost me 6 algo, which is I hate doing math. I hate doing public math. It's like $2.50 or some $2.50. That's not very much right now because it's like 39 cents an algo. So that's not very much. So I'm going to confirm registration. Let's do it. And look, my little wallet. I don't know if you guys can see this. Well, yeah, I want a grant access. Hold on a second. Did I have to connect my wallet first? No, I actually am connected. That's what's weird. I'm connected, but it won't. All right, so I'm going to try this. I'm going to disconnect, and then I'm going to reconnect my wallet. Because I never connected it. That's kind of weird, right? So now I'm going to connect it purposely. So we found a little bug. It seems to automatically connect you because I didn't connect it before. It just was automatically, it showed my wallet up there. Now I'm going to do it. Okay, 1 year. Sure, I read your thing. I didn't, but now it ought to work. So if you ever encountered it, I've had that happen before where I had to just disconnect because it automatically connected. That was kind of a high fee, by the way, but I think that was, oh, that was the total. So it's 5 algo plus the 0.9 algo for the fee. Kind of expensive fee compared to those things. Cool. Okay, there we go. That was that simple. You know what? They need a little, the way that popped up was a little lame, but FrugalBC.algo, it's mine. So we just purchased that's how simple it is. It is pretty easy. There's that little bug in there, but how much is it to link socials? Just out of curiosity. Trying to see. So I haven't done this before. Well, let's just do the YouTube. So let me just give me a second while here it is. I don't know if this is, they need the address. Of course, my dog has to start barking. Where is it? Here it is. Okay. Oh. Okay, I guess it worked. Let me see. I want to see. Interesting. Yeah, we're exploring. I mean, I'm exploring this in real time, so I don't know if that worked or not. Or what if I just go? Because it asks for your handle. Let's do Twitter. So, yeah, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, well, I guess you're getting the experience. So is that really all there is? Like, how do I actually see my thing? Your social profiles are updated successfully. You will be able to view the latest profiles linked to your domain now. There we go. Thanks. Oh yeah, here they are. Yeah, so overall that was pretty painless and easy, and it worked really well. My one question is, like, I could just link anybody's social. I don't I don't know if it matters, but I think that's a little weird. Um, so I'm really curious about, it says link to my wallet. I wonder if I'll have to try it out. I don't have any algo to send around anywhere right now, or anywhere to send it, but maybe I'll do that in a super feature video and just try it out, because you're supposed to be able to use that as your wallet address, which is a lot easier. If you want to try it out, send me an algo. No, you don't have to. I'm just kidding. I mean, if you want to, sure, but it's not important. But yeah, I want to try. I'll have to try that out sometime. I think that's pretty cool. Overall, yeah, they make it pretty easy to, to link all your profiles, and the setup was pretty easy. Like, the one thing that it does that I noticed, I don't know if that's an Algorand bug, because I noticed that in other platforms where, like, it kind of automatically recognizes you, but doesn't give you a chance to log in, and it'll say like you didn't give the app permission, which you didn't. So you have to actually log off and log back in. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. I look forward to trying it out more, and maybe after a month I'll give an update if I've actually used it and tried it out. Maybe I'll try sending like one algo or half an algo, so it's not a big waste, just to see if it works. But if you guys set up your, thanks guys for not stealing FrugalBC.algo, by the way. I appreciate that. I guess if I wanted to spend a bunch of algo, I could have called it FBC.algo, but like, for me, that just makes a lot of sense. And it was 5 algo versus like 150. So I'm down with that. But if any of you guys have set this up, I'd be super curious what your experience was. Do you like it? Do you think it's useful? Do you think it's pointless? I don't know. Like, Ethereum has had this for a while, and like way more expensive. We're talking like $150 minimum, if I recall right. Just another example of how things go so much more smoothly on Algorand than they do, say, Ethereum. So I don't know. I have good hopes for this blockchain, but I'm rambling. That's enough for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Yeah, but as always, be safe out there, guys, and we'll see you in the future.